Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you the best travel insurance for Asia. ECTA is a travel insurance platform offering unique travel insurance programs starting at 0.99 cents per day. It is suitable for visa processing and available for all citizens of all countries from 2 months to 100 years old. ECTA insurance products are valued around the world and cover a variety of diseases, including COVID-19. They have more than 10 years of experience and millions of clients trusting them. They care for their clients by covering the taxi fare to the hospital and have a quick processing method. They work from all over the world. Client support is 24/7 available, no hidden clauses in the contract, over 15p employees, and more. ECTA Traveling is suitable for visa receiving, quick rest for children and pregnant women, insurance policy for any occasion, and more. They offered packages like Start, Gold, and Max Plus. You can buy packages starting from $0.99 per day, Gold at 1.75 per day, and Max Plus for 5.9 per day. You can buy travel insurance by calculating the exact cost of the policy, writing your data correctly. Then check your personal information and pay for the policy conveniently. After that, confirm your email and download the policy on your smartphone. It will give you the form having 3 sections. Country and travel dates. Second is for personal information, and last is information verification. First, select your package and add details about country and travel dates in the form. Click on Next and then fill out the form to add personal details like name, address, email address, contact information, and more. Click on Next to confirm and verify your information. After confirmation, click on Buy. In the end, you have to pay for the visa by card or any method you want. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.